Hello, traders. Today is Friday, June 20th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss. And we're on the 1 hour time frame, as you can see. So, anyways, the daily definitely did turn up. The monthly and the weekly are definitely still down, but the daily did turn up. So, for me personally, I am looking for longs because I use the daily as my roadmap. And I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last move up on the 1 hour time frame. I would be looking at this move down as possibly just a pullback to the last move up. So if we get three waves down to any one of these fib levels, which at this point would probably have to be to 61 or to 78%, then we get like a nice impulsive up with a break out to the upside on the 1 hour time frame, then that's exactly what I would be looking for more entries to go long. Now, if it decides to go down and take out this low, then obviously at that point, the daily time frame will be back into a downtrend, and I will start looking for sorts after the break of structure. But for now, I'm definitely looking at this move down as likely just a pullback to the last wave up. So, anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe, take a look at my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner at the end of the video. Also, take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.